are going to love the 2020 Nissan Kicks. The Nissan Kicks is a crossover vehicle that will demand attention with its styling and impressive performance. Plenty of interior room allows for a comfortable ride while including all the latest technology features. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, Bluetooth, dual airbags, front wheel drive, power steering, alloy wheels, trip computer, compass, power windows, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, outside temperature gauge, panic alarm, day and night rear view mirror, remote keyless entry, tachometer, brake assist, driver vanity mirror, front bucket seats. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.